Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises both style and functionality for your living space, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube 3-tier TV stand designed for TVs up to 32 inches. We discovered this versatile piece of furniture online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The Furinno Turn-N-Tube is a no-tools-required entertainment center that combines simple design with practical storage. Crafted from engineered wood and featuring sturdy plastic round tubes, this TV stand not only supports your flat-screen TV but also provides ample space for your media devices and decor. One of the standout features of this TV stand is its 3-tier media storage. The top shelf is designed to accommodate your TV, while the two open shelves beneath are perfect for organizing media players, game consoles, books, or even decorative items. This thoughtful design helps keep your living area tidy and ensures that everything you need is easily accessible. In terms of weight capacity, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube can hold TVs up to 32 inches and supports a total weight of 100 pounds. This means you can confidently place your TV and other equipment without worrying about stability or safety. The stand is crafted from high-quality, durable composite wood, and features rounded corners to prevent injuries, making it a safe choice for households with children or pets. Moreover, it's made from FSC-certified wood, which means you're investing in a product that's not only stylish but also environmentally responsible. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Furinno Turn-N-Tube is ideal for anyone looking to maximize their space without compromising on style. Whether you live in a small apartment, a dorm room, or simply wish to declutter your living room, this TV stand is a fantastic solution. Its simple, stylish design integrates seamlessly into any decor, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or entertainment areas. Let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine setting up your new TV in a cozy corner of your living room. With the Furinno Turn-N-Tube, you can easily position your TV on the top shelf while using the lower shelves to store your gaming console and favorite movies. The open design allows for great ventilation, which is essential for your devices to function optimally. Alternatively, if you're a book lover, you could use the lower shelves to display your favorite reads alongside other media, turning your TV stand into a multifunctional piece of furniture. The dimensions of this stand are also worth noting. It measures 15.8 inches deep, 31.5 inches wide, and 23.3 inches high, making it a compact yet spacious option for your entertainment needs. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or hosting a game night with friends, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube ensures that everything you need is within reach. In conclusion, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube No-Tools 3-tier TV stand is a stylish, versatile, and practical solution for anyone needing a compact entertainment center. Its thoughtful design, sturdy construction, and user-friendly assembly make it a great addition to any home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.